Today I'm going to be making a lemon blueberry ricotta cheesecake. Okay, let's get started. You're going to take the ricotta, the cream cheese, and the sugar. You're going to mix these together until it's really smooth and creamy. And it should look like that, almost like buttercream frosting. To that, you're going to add your eggs, your lemon juice, and your lemon zest. And you're going to mix it on low. That's just combined. You're going to add the flour and the cornstarch. And again, mix on low just until combined. Should look like that. You're going to fold in the sour cream just until well combined. You're going to take your batter and you're going to pour it into a springform pan on blueberries. I'm going to take about 3/4 of a cup of the blueberries, and I'm going to just kind of button them into the top, like halfway into the batter. They're going to burst when they bake, and they'll come down into the cheesecake. Okay, you're going to bake that a 350 oven. While your cheesecake is baking, make your lemon sauce. So you're going to take the sugar and the cornstarch, and you're going to whisk them together. Okay, you're going to put it on glasses. You're going to put it on medium heat. And into that, you're going to drizzle 1 cup of boiling water. It'll take about 5 minutes to thicken. You're going to add your salt, your zest, and your lemon juice. Turn it off, remove it from the heat. Stir in your butter. When that butter is completely mixed in, you're going to pour your sauce into a bowl. Set it aside and let it cool completely. Refrigerate once it's cool. Once you've taken your cheesecake out of the oven and then chilled it in the refrigerator, it'll look like this. And it should, all goes well, pop right out. Yay. And what you're going to do, put a little sauce on top. And then you're just going to cover the top in blueberries. It should look like this. Look at that. You can see all the berries that burst and drizzle down in it. So those berries will be a little sweeter and less tart. Please try this and enjoy. I hope your family loves it as much as mine does.